in Iligan City, an army of 70 Adventist young people who are sure of their mission and not afraid to be the sermon, gathered here together at Barangay Villa Verde Multi-Purpose Hall to join this worldwide event, the Global Youth Day 2016. These young people combine their efforts to show the love of Jesus, and they are eager to spread kindness by giving free health checkup and medical tests, donate blood, share hope through tract distribution, tell Bible stories, and teach these young children with Christian songs, held cooking demonstration, and feeding program. And for the culmination of this activity, there will be a Great Hope concert where these young people will be giving these Great Hope books to our non-Adventist friends.
The purpose of the Global Youth Day is to embrace our youth, the service and ministry of the church. For the activities that we have in the Global Youth Day Iligan, we have a free clinic, we have a pedia consultation, adult consultation, we have eye screening and dental consultations, and also we have nutrition consultation. And we offer also high potential therapy, bloodletting, blood sugar test. The children, we offer kid Bible story, and also we teach them the songs. At 6 p.m. this day, we have a Great Hope concert in which our aim is to promote the message of Christ, and we will give the Great Hope pocket book. And we'll have also a feeding program right after the concert.
That's the Global Youth Day News Update here in Iligan, South Philippines. This is Richie Jane Brion. Be the sermon, live the sermon.